our company name is Universal Engineering Works. We are into the automobile components machining, and we come under Hostia, it is Hostia Association, and Hostia has taken an initiative on the lean manufacturing. So we are very proud to say that we are included in that cluster of CNC machining and lean manufacturing, and this was coordinated. Lean manufacturing was only coordinated by Toreka, and our consultant, our consultant and coordinator is Mr. Thomas. And we entered in this journey year back, and when we have started, many questions are there in our mind. What is going to give this lean manufacturing is going to give us? Many questions are there within me, and also our people had a lot of questions, and these were very clearly understood after going through a session organized by Hostia and Toreka. And for our industry, definitely this is going to help, and it is helping us. So this, see, our company is job work industry, wherein material is given by our customers, Sundaram Fasteners, and we do CNC machining and give to them. There, the criticality is every day we need to give their requirements. Yes. As per their as per their needs, we need to supply. So earlier we are doing some activity, but the approach towards this, the approach is not towards making 100% achievement. So what we did? No, why is it 100% it was not met to us? See, when you do for example, when you do the job change, we used to take a lot of time for job change, setup change. So customer earlier used to give one job, and they wanted us to take on multiple machines. Generally, one job, one machine concept were there earlier, and the customer demanding to take up on multiple machines. We really had a lot of issues of taking that job. So that requires one job has to run on multi-machines. So multi-machine, when you run on multi-machine, we need to have the required elements, what is meant for one particular machine. We will have to simulate, or we should have the same sort of setup requirements for other machines. So what happens when changeover is there, we used to take a lot of time for searching the items like hand tools, collars, bolts and nuts, all these things. Earlier we used to take, for example, job change time is 1 hour means, actual job change time is 1 hour means, it used to take another 3 to 4 hours to get the things right and do the job change.
It was taking some 2-3 hours for searching for the tools, everything.
So that has given when we are discussing with our people, with lean consultant and Toreka people, we understood 5S is very, very important, and we have taken 5S as a very important activity for our type of operations. We did 5S. In the 5S as a company-wide initiated, and we started focusing on first 3 years. The 4th and 5th S is basically the sustenance and the training of the people. We are left it, and we are focusing on the first 3 years. On that is the first S is starting out. One S is on starting out. Remove unwanted item, and second is store, easy to retrieve, place for everything and everything in its place. And third is shining. Keep the workplace neat and shine, clean, always clean.
Spick and span.
Spick and span. So when we did the first years, that is starting, we got many unwanted items. Things were not used for months together, years together. Months together is okay, but years together they are not using, and many things were put in the backyard or on the top of the roof, on top of the machine. So like that many things are there. All things were taken and put in a place, and we identified with red tag. So red tagging was done. And after red tagging, what is required for the activity? That is, we have created a place for the items, and all things are in that place. So when we created the second years, that is a place for everything and everything in its place, we have created a storage area near the machine. When for the tools, hand tools or whatever required, what is daily required or day-to-day usage items are kept near the machine. And things which are used after this time or month's time are identified and stored accordingly. And as this is on the part of place for everything and everything in its place, that is second S. Third S is signing. We have taken cleaning up of activities on the near the machine and around the machine. So we have kept our factory cleaner way. So by this way, as I said in the introductory speech, the job change time is very, very important, and we need to take multi machines and deliver the required quantities to the customer. So this has helped our job change time drastically, and we could able to save that, or we could able to remove that non-value added timing of 3-4 hours, and the real job change, what you are taking 1 hour earlier, you are focusing more on that, even on that more job change on the machine, we have reduced the time drastically. Now most of our jobs are changed within half an hour, and many jobs are completed within 10 minutes. Setup change is completed within 10 minutes. So by that way, the single digit, it is not a single minute of tool change, it is single digit of tool change time is more or less achieved. But this could happen only because of the lean concepts, what you have understood, and the real involvement of our people, or the drive, or the value addition given by our consultant has helped, and we are continuing this. So by this way, now one job or one part number comes, we could run it as much as 50% of our machines. That's about 10 machines we can at a time load, and we can meet the customer requirements at any point of time.
So can you talk something about the Poka-yoke? What we have there?
See, over and above IS, as you said, Poka-yoke is we have done 2-3 Poka-yokes. And another thing is, the Poka-yoke we have done, the lead time reduction we have done, and Poka-yoke, we used to have some complaints from the customer. See, on the milling machine, we have done Poka-yoke, where the component both side on the component both side milling operation has to be done. Both sides will look similar. By visually it will look similar, but there are some dimension variation differences will be there. You will have oil groove on one side, and the drill hole should be oriented with the oil hole. So we have done mechanical Poka-yoke. The meaning, Poka-yoke means, normally people think it should be with electrical, electronics,
Lots of investments.
electrical, hydraulics, pneumatics, all these things that they say. But it is more cost. Cost is one. And another is, as we go with, as we more of, we are going with, electrical, mechanical, and whatever, some sophisticated Poka-yoke, there is a very chance that that system will be bypassed. So for that, when we are discussing this sort of Poka-yoke, it came to our mind that it should be some electrical Poka-yoke only. But ultimately, when we discussed with our group with our team, and our people said, sir, any mechanical poke what you are going to provide definitely will not allow the person to load the component in the wrong way. So that has only driven us, and we did a lot of brainstorming, and we introduced mechanical poke wherein you can see component can be loaded wrong way in 4 pi ways. That means on the given component, or over a period of production of 3 to 6 months, or over a period of time of production, you will get as many as 7 to 10 defects on the component. So, because of the wrong loading. So many complaints will arise. When complaints are there, the complaints are there, then you are not into the business. So we need to maintain, even though the PPM level and all, people talk 100 ppm, 50% PPM you have achieved means it's a great thing, like that people talk. But even one component mistake or defective component goes to the customer, and from there it skips and finally goes to the end user, and it is going to be very, very serious problem. So this Poke has definitely given us defect-free production, and now for the last 8 months, absolutely there is no problem. Any new person comes, can just load the component. If we try to put the component the other way, then the required position, machine will not allow.
Should not start.
The component cannot be loaded.
Yes.
So that is the Poke what you are done. And besides this, we also introduce a single piece flow. Earlier, many of our components used to have two-side operation. First side operation and the second side operation. So we used to do the first side operation on group of machine, and store the item, and then do the second operation. So what happens, when you machine and store, there are lot of there the storage, the material is not finished immediately. We go on run and store the parts for 2-3 days, and then take up for second operation. So what happens when you take second operation, and there is some dimension mismatch in the first operation, we could not identify, and that will lead to rejection at the end finally.
That time your inventory was also more.
Inventory also will more. When we start today, the part will be going to the customer only after 4 days.
Yes.
So for that, what we did, after completion of the first operation, we are doing the second operation. So for that, why earlier we used to do the first operation and store it for few days is the cycle time imbalance between the first operation and second operation. The first operation is to take 1 minute. The second operation is to take half minute. So by that way, you are forced to run first operation for longer time and second operation for a shorter time.
Yes.
By that way, what we did, we first started first operation and second operation simultaneously. One machine first operation, second machine second operation. But if you really see, the second operation will wait for load from the first operation. So this has it creates a gap.
Yes.
So then what we did, we discussed again within the group, and Toraka has also helped us. See, earlier first operation used to have some multi-machining sequences. Like one operation is done with 4-5 type of cutting tools. That is, one tool will do the champering, another will do the casing, another will do the boring, another will do the ID champering. Like that, we used to have 4-5 tools. Then what we thought, our first aim was to match the cycle time, if not 100%, at least close up the second operation cycle time. So this has forced us to rethink the process, how to reduce the cycle time in the first stage. So what we did rationalization of the tools. We combined the operations of chambering, phasing, ID boring with one tool. So by that way, the tool going back to the home position and coming and doing the machining, the time taken for indexing all these things has reduced, and the cycle time is more or less matched. And the same thing we also applied on the second side operation, where the second side operation has also come down. Instantly when you are doing these sort of improvements, so first side operation time earlier, for example 1 minute was brought below 30 seconds. The second side operation where it used to take 30 seconds has also reduced by another 10 to 15%, 25 seconds. So we could match to 25, for example 25 seconds, second operation. So we could able to reduce the cycle time and reduce the inventory, and more importantly, the moment first operation is done, it is simultaneously done on the second operation. The part is produced on the same day, it is delivered to the customer on the same day. No inventory included. And it has also, and this 5 years, this lean manufacturing, all these things also driven us to look into the various aspects of productivity, quality, cost, delivery, and more importantly, by involving all our people, the morale of the people has gone up, and we could be able to work without any irritation, and people come happily in the morning and go home very happily in the evening. So I really now thank the Oracle team and also Hostia to put us in these activities. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time.
ஜஸ்ட்டு காமிச்ச போதும் இந்த மாதிரி
ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து முன்னாடி இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது இந்த இடத்துலலாம் 2 ட்ரில் வரணும். அப்போ வந்து என்னென்னா இப்படி வச்சு சம்டைமில் ட்ரில்லு போடுறது கூட ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் வந்து இப்போ இந்த பேக் சைடில் நம்ம பின்னு போட்டுருவோம். இந்த பின்னு போட்டாச்சுன்னா இது வந்து இதை விட நம்ம ஹைட் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷனாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இப்படி போட்டுட்டு நம்ம இந்த வாசல் போடுறதுக்கு இங்கேருந்து இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 1.5 இருக்கும்
ஹைட் இருக்கும்.
ஸோ நம்ம அதே இது இப்படி திருப்பி போட்டோம்னா இது ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் ஜாஸ்தியாக வரும். அப்போ வந்து சீவாசர் உள்ளார போகும். இது ஒரு ஆப்ஷன்.
நான் ஜஸ்ட் இது போட்டு ஜஸ்ட்டு
ஓகே, இதில் வந்து சீவாசர் உள்ளார போகும். அதே இது நம்ம இந்த பின்னு போட்டாச்சு அப்படின்னா இனி வந்து ஒரு 1 mm ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் ஹைட் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கும். அப்போ வந்து சீவாசருக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த கேப்பு தான் வந்து அந்த சீவாசர் உள்ளார போகாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுறது.
ஓகே,
இப்போது இதில் வந்து முன்னாடி வந்து இந்த பொக்கையொக்கை இல்லைங்கும்போது இந்த ஆப்ரேஷன் ரெண்டும் ஒரே டைமில் மாற்றி போட முடியும்.
ஓகே,
இதோட ஐட்டம் சேம். அப்போ வந்து ஆப்ரேஷன் மிஸ்ஸிங் ஆப்ரேஷன் நடக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி நடக்காமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக இந்த ஹைட் இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்களா, இந்த ஹைட்டும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் படுத்தி காட்டுறதுக்காக இந்த பொக்கையொக்கை பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
ஒரு ஸ்டெப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
ஆமாம். ஸோ இதில் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் ஆப்ரேஷனையும் செகண்ட் ஆப்ரேஷனையும் உள்டாவோ போட முடியாது. அப்படியே போட்டாலும் கூட ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் டெப்த் வர்ற மாதிரி பிளான் பண்ணி செஞ்சுருக்கு. இது வந்து ரொம்ப அட்வான்டேஜாக இருக்கும் நமக்கு. இது வந்து இந்த பிக்சரை கலட்டி நம்ம போட்டு வச்சோம்னா இது ஓகே. இப்போ இந்த பின்னு சம்டைம்